Hey everyone, I am the host of this reviewing of Bible quotes with nature mandalas. And we're going to start off with the nature mandala book. And here we go. Stay tuned. I will have another nature mandala book tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. So I may be doing Mother Nature mandalas on a video. And all of these are my favorite, basically. But this is the best one now, so far. That's where I'm on. And now we can get to the Bible verses. I know the plans that I have for you. This video will be called God's Creation with Animal Mandalas. Something like that. This is where I stopped on. Thanks for watching and experience God's Word within His animals. And see you on the next video. Like, subscribe to Corey's videos.